All right, folks, let's talk about CryptoCosmic, a 2025 app that's been trending as a crypto game where you can supposedly earn rewards or learn trading. But the big question, is it legit or just fake hype? CryptoCosmic markets itself as a play-to-learn platform combining crypto simulation and missions for rewards. It looks slick. You complete tasks, collect virtual coins, and level up your trading skills. However, once you dig deeper, things don't add up. According to its own terms, all rewards are virtual tokens. They can't be exchanged for real cash or crypto. Thousands of users have confirmed the same issue. Smooth gameplay, but fake promises of profit. Some even report being asked for verification steps that go nowhere, or being shown exaggerated ads claiming instant withdrawals. In reality, it's just a simulation, useful for learning but not earning. On the bright side, the educational value is decent. You can practice trading strategies safely without risking actual funds, and that's good for beginners. Verdict: CryptoCosmic is a decent learning simulator, but not a real money app. Treat it as a training tool, not an investment opportunity.